Hi everyone. Hi. I just want to say thank you so much to Sadali for teaching me how to do Forex. I didn't know anything, and when I say I literally didn't know anything, all I knew was like a candlestick. And I would like really sound intelligent with my friends when I would say, "Oh my goodness, this candlestick is going up and this candlestick is going down," and I didn't even know that was called an uptrend and downtrend. So yeah, thank you so much, Sad. And I learned so much. I learned how to draw parallel channels. I learned how to do trend lines. There's so many things I learned. So the hammer is Fibonacci retracement. It's amazing. I didn't know anything, and I got to learn all that. And then I would post my charts after doing my homework on our Facebook group, where he would correct it like immediately. It would be corrected, and I'm like, oh my goodness, you already corrected it, and I got this wrong and I got this right. And sometimes I would do the chart so perfectly, and I know, wow, I got everything. I know my candlesticks. Yeah, but it wasn't like that, because I would find, oh, I did a mistake on my candlestick. And yeah, anyway, I did learn a lot, and it was amazing. Yeah, and join the Facebook group, find out all you can about Forex. It's amazing, and all I can say is thank you, Sadali. Now I just don't say, oh, I know this candlestick is going up. I know that's an uptrend. I sound so intelligent. Thank you.